Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Autos, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive innovation, design and performance. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2026 Toyota Corona. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary Corona is making a comeback, and it's not just riding on nostalgia. Toyota has completely reimagined the classic for the modern era, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. The original Toyota Corona first hit the roads in the 1950s and built a strong reputation over the decades for reliability, comfort, and value. Now in 2026, Toyota is breathing new life into this iconic nameplate with a sleek, futuristic design and technology that puts it right in line with today's most advanced sedans. Let's start with the design. The new Corona sports a bold front fascia, featuring sharp LED headlights, an aggressive grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines that run across its body. It strikes a balance between elegance and sportiness, making it suitable for families, young professionals, and anyone looking for a stylish daily driver. The silhouette is modern, yet you can still catch subtle design cues that pay homage to its heritage. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Corona offers a choice between a hybrid powertrain and an all-electric version. The hybrid model features a 2.0-liter engine paired with Toyota's latest electric motor technology, delivering impressive fuel efficiency and responsive performance. For those going fully electric, the Corona EV promises a range of around 400 kilometers on a single charge, making it a solid option for city commuting and weekend getaways alike. Inside, the cabin is where the Corona truly shines. Toyota has outfitted the interior with premium materials, a spacious layout, and an intuitive infotainment system. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen anchors the center console, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's voice-activated assistant. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury to every ride. Safety, as always with Toyota, is top tier. The 2026 Corona comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a new AI-based driver monitoring system that detects fatigue and distraction. Whether you're on the highway or navigating tight urban streets, this car has your back. One of the most appealing aspects of the 2026 Corona is its price. Toyota has managed to offer all of this innovation and comfort at a surprisingly affordable price point. It's aimed to be accessible without sacrificing quality, a principle that made the original Corona such a beloved model. So, is the 2026 Toyota Corona worth the hype? Absolutely. Toyota has successfully blended classic nameplate nostalgia with the needs of today's drivers. It's smart, efficient, stylish, and safe. A true contender in the competitive sedan market. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Toyota Corona. Would you consider buying one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Dream Autos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.